Good afternoon and welcome back to the garden. Today is Sunday, August 1st. You know what you do at my house on August 1st? Well, of course you mulch. Come on. My wife was describing our no-till method to somebody just the other day. And you know, we just cut and drop. So she said, yeah, he just cuts it off at the ground, throws some mulch over it, says it'll be all right. And you know what? Coming into the third year, looks like it's all right. So that's what we really do. It's that simple. Now these peppers, these are the peppers that got blown over the other night. We've staked them up. And peppers seem to like fresh cut grass, a light little layer. Now obviously you don't want to put this on too thick. You don't want it to heat up. You don't want to burn the peppers. The one thing we found last year, the sweet potatoes seem to hunt out the peppers, and the peppers do not like the sweet potatoes. But the sweet potatoes sure do like the peppers. These vines are getting a little too close to the peppers. We're going to go ahead and just cut these back. I'm going to take these on in that house, clean them up. I'm going to eat these for dinner. Alright, we're going to make a fire break, as it were. No sweet potato vines past there. And I'll guarantee you, these are going to go ahead and root right in here. We're going to have plenty of nice sweet potatoes. That's as far as they need to come towards the peppers. And with the no-till deep mulch, all you got to do is just move the mulch around a little bit. See what we get. Any sweet potato vine we find past here is going to get cut back. That's all there is to this no-till garden. You just keep adding mulch. You don't want to forget to put your guard in place before you get most of your compost turned. Well, it cooled off to about 90 degrees today, so good day to mow. Good day to turn compost. Get the last little bit of this in here. I think we're almost done for the day. Get it off the electric fence anyhow. I want to thank you for stopping by the garden for a visit. All we did today was just mow and move mulch. That's part of the no-till garden. You do a little bit of work, a couple, 3 times a month, and you virtually weed free the rest of the year. Well, we mulched around all the peppers out to the sweet potatoes. Got some mulch going on here. Our auxiliary pile we can take right over the fence as soon as the turmeric and the potatoes come up. We're in pretty good shape. You got 2 bins of mulch working down and make some nice compost. All in all, not a bad weekend. So until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.